All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is step 6. This is a very crucial step. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I moving this around? Because I got everything solved. But remember, you might not end up like me where I have just one matching side. This is the optimal. But you might have like a yellow here that matches and orange here that matches. You don't want that. You just want one to match. Okay, you just want one to match. If you get two, then you got to do this again, and once you do it again, you're only going to have one that matches, and you move it to that place that matches. So let me just do the algorithm.